So right now, I guess kind of the biggest red flag on my end these past weeks was the fact that utilities have continued to break into new all-time highs. Utilities is a risk-off kind of flight to safety sector. And when we're seeing this sector breaking out, I'm not too surprised as the market is continuing to pull back into this range. But for now, if you're in some of these utility names, it is extremely extended, since kind of that end of February, March kind of bottom that, under this 164 and like the utility sector for VPU would be a spot to definitely take some profits. Moving on, we have consumer staples, which just recently retested its prior all-time high. We've talked about this a lot where, the retest ultimate resistance. This is an easy time to kind of take some profits in the name again, up huge, up 10, 15% in the last month or so. Energy as well continues to be strong, just flagging at highs. Looking to buy through this little flag again until this trend really breaks. It's just got to follow the trend. And lastly, we have healthcare, which same thing, kind of almost retested its prior high, and now it's kind of pulling back. So those you mentioned, focusing on the stronger sectors. Lately, it's been utilities, consumer staples, energy, and healthcare. We are also seeing materials still setting up. It's again still in this much bigger flag. And the REIT space is still in kind of dead smack middle of its range, but it seems like it should eventually work its way towards a retest. The weak sectors, the ones that we want to avoid, telecom is continuously getting smoked. Biotech still in this massive downtrend. The industrials in this very clear downtrend. So those are the three sectors we want to avoid. Telecom avoid, biotechs avoid, industrials avoid. And to focus on, we want to focus on utilities, consumer staples, energy, and healthcare.